cone so that you're set up for the corner. It makes the corner wider that way. That way. Pretty good, Mark. Just turn a little bit sooner after those cones. Right there, another clean run. Good job. There, 45. Harder. Yeah, there we go. Now we're starting to get there. That's 10 out of 10. Alright, Eric, 50. Slamming that brake this time. And slamming. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Very much in control this time. Like hand over hand for the U-turn. Back to 9 and 3. Focus hold. Definitely got a good line going here, but is there a little bit more pace that he can push? We'll also see on the way back. Climb up to the limits. Looking pretty quick. Get a little creative with the hand position on the steering wheel. I'll be behind now. Eyes up.
Eyes up, eyes up.
Speed into the box. A little slow getting into the box actually. A 32.64. Go. Got a good speed and rhythm going down there. This could be a tough spot. Down there though, so that might hurt the time a bit. Into the box, getting it stopped, 31.5. Thing marks, find the sweet spot of the brake point. Big brakes. There it is. Alright, Erick, give me power. Alright, Mike, Mark, 4 brakes before the corner. You just kind of turn the wheel and look what's that there. We got brakes and then turn. Mark, you can also work on getting close to the yellow. When you run 3 yellow, now you're carrying a little bit more speed. Beautiful, Erick. Okay. So this time, beginning with Larry. Larry, you're going to just this time, six, sir. Nice and clean for install like you've done this before. Nicely done. Another clean run to your practice. Nicely done.
Good pace right now, yeah.
Pushing hard down the hill, looking for the stop line.
22.
Oh boy, it's a 22.520, but he's just outside the box.
Let's see.
Looks like he is safely in with a 25.08.
You got this.
Good job. Eric's not wasting any time there. Nice through the slow, nice and clean. in the box.
Okay, that's better. There you go.
Makes the turn for home. Oh, it's gonna be close. Just outside the box. It was his fastest lap so far. So 24.604, but we gotta add 2 seconds here. Track is green. Erick, run number 4, head on out.
Good start. Great start. Go, go, go.
Nicely done, Erick, at 24.37. All right, Erick, 30. Like a sine wave, left, right, constant steering all the way through. Good, Erick. Nice and smooth. Little brake, look right. All right, off the gas, Dominic. Very good. Nice mark. Little brake. There you go. Brake before you turn up the hill there. Just trying to get in the habit, guys, of that BLT from yesterday, brake look turn. You may not need it initially, but once you're up to speed, you will need to brake before the end. Right there, that's much better, Dominic. This should be a little bit quicker. Granted, I'm in an M3. Stickier tires, a little bit more capable in those 240s. Just pay attention. Go. That would be the fourth steering input, perhaps a little bit behind. Alright, so Erick, I think more steering. If the wave gets too big, it'll bounce water back into your air intakes. And if water gets in the air intakes of these X5s, it makes them very expensive paperweights. They will not move at all because hydro lock is a very real thing. So just looking for about 2 to 3 miles an hour. Like I said, no rush getting all the way to the end. But when you do get to the end, just drive straight up over the hill. You're not going to see the road, but I promise you it is there in front of you. As you go down the hill, coming out of the water, this brings us over to our second obstacle, which is going to be one at a time, just because it's such a small obstacle. We call it the frame bender. It's your chance to balance the car on 2 wheels. You're going to pull your... Good speed there. You got about 20-ish feet before you feel a bump. Just keep the wheel straight. Start to turn a little left. Give it a little bit of gas, but be ready to brake. You can straighten out the wheel a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. A little bit further. Very nice. Then you'll straighten out the wheel a bit, and you'll make your way on down. Just come join us over here.
Wow. I didn't know this car can move like this.
For the one at the bottom, just make sure you don't get too close to it, because if you do, there is a chance you could high center the vehicle if you get it just right.
Oh, you're not?
The car brakes on its own.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything.
So on a simplified way of explaining this system, it's basically just monitoring traction to your tires. If it senses the tire loses traction, it'll actually start increasing brake pressure on another tire that does have traction.
That's cool. Wow.
So we fixed it in here. Well, hey, others are coming on it. And after that, we do have one more small hit. 55. Gets up to that speed, looking for the stop cones. We got the ABS there at the end. I think we had a little bit more brake pressure there to start our braking. 60, please. Good. We still have a little bit of brakes there that we can use for the 65. Pretty good. Maybe stop a little short of the red and white cones or 70. Darn good, man. Nice. Nicely done. And Erick, 70. Nicely done. Good job. All right. 3-lap practice, Erick. 3, 2, 1, go. Erick absolutely dominating. No competition. Get a little understeer, turned into oversteer when he lifted off the gas, which you can have from time to time. White light, one to go. The reason that happens, guys, is due to weight transfer. When you let off the gas, weight transfers from the back to the front. Front tires grip a little bit better. Back tires, maybe not so much. This time high. Woo! Maybe that 2-car inching ahead. Ain't by much. Hang on to her, Erick.
Go, 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 go.
All right, 1 to go this time high. All right, checkers this time. It's going to be all mark in 2 cars. 5.